Getting to work on the driver's seat today. I got my mounts positioned where they need to be. And I got my seat and console set up over here. It's pretty much how it's gonna look in the car. I've decided to bolt these down instead of welding it, just in case I might need to move it later. So I guess that's gonna have to work for now. So here's my setup. This is how the seat gonna sit in here. Bolted my mounts to the floor. Bolted the track to the mount, both sides and the back. And then on the front, to make it sturdy, I made a brace. As you can see right here, it's just a simple brace to hold it down. And then I rigged up something right here to make this work. So now I'm about to put the seat on and mount it on up in here. This is where I cut them hooks off, because if I didn't, they was gonna be in the way. And I made me a brace, like I said, right here, just for support, because the back is what's really holding it down. So just got that for a little extra support, so I won't move anywhere when I'm driving. Driver's seat is done, so on to the passenger side. This is a little something I got rigged up right here to make it power on. I'm gonna go to the other side and demonstrate it for you. Let me explain to you how the passenger side is going to work. Alright, so I ordered these Monte Carlo bucket seat tracks off of eBay. Couldn't find them at any junkyard. And basically how this is going to work is I'm just going to mount it to the bottom of my passenger seat. That way they'll fit in the stock location like a regular bucket seat is supposed to fit. But the only thing is right here, I gotta cut this section out because when I attempted to just put it up to it, it was touching this part right here. So I'm gonna cut this section out, that way everything will be fitting like it's supposed to. So after putting these seat tracks on here, I realized that I don't have to cut that section out that I marked because it fits right inside this little plastic right here, so I don't have to cut this off. But what I am going to have to do is over here, I'm going to have to cut the metal on the seat right here because it's interfering with being flat right here. So I'm going to have to cut that off. I'm about to mark it right now. Let's see, right here and right here. That's where it's hitting right there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. There it is. It's not touching anymore. Sheet is ready to go in. I just knocked a little bit of rust off that was right there. Got a bolt and a nut on there to hold in place with the spacer in between. Let's go ahead and put this in. passenger seat is all the way in now. This is how you let it backwards and forwards. Now I gotta get to work on the console. That's what's next. So the seats look good. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it on out towards the back because it seems to be interfering right here and on this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it on out. That's a lot better than what it was before. See over here, it's not coming in contact with that seat belt. It's gonna work out fine. Alright, so this is what I came up with on mounting the center console in the car. This mount right here is the mount used for the original center consoles that most of these cars came in, like the Oldsmobile and the Monte Carlos. I decided to try to make it work, and I did a good job of doing that. All I did was mark where I needed it. That little line, you can't really see, it's kind of dark. Let's see. There you go. I marked it right there, and I marked it on the back in the placement that I needed it. I opened up the hole so I can put a bigger bolt in each one of them. I just threaded it so it can go through the armrest. Here's my positive and negative wires for my power outlets. Just a simple cigarette lighter, power and ground. Phone charger. That one's good. That one's good. And let me turn you over to the center. And that one's good. There's another wire up under there to connect all three of these together to make them all work as one. So guess I'm ready to roll. That's it, it's all done. I'm done with the interior for now. I don't know how I'm gonna do the colors in here, so I'm gonna leave it like this for now. But this seat is gonna get reupholstered and this console is gonna get wrapped. I don't know right now, so I'm just gonna ride like this. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button for me. Comment if you got any questions on how I did all this. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Peace.